Today I have for you is a eBay unboxing. A couple days ago, actually last week, I heard that the new circuit maker is coming out, and I'm planning on getting one. This will be my first circuit machine. If you want to see that unboxing of that in a description box below, please give this video a thumbs up or put something in the description saying that you'd want to see that. But I went on eBay and decided to get maybe the basics tool set or the essential tool set that you need for, I guess, this. I don't know how long this has been out. I've already taken it out of the box. It was in this bag, sort of. So, without further ado, let's take our tools out and take a look. So I got, I don't know if you can see this. I got the Circuit Essential tool set in the, I believe this is the limited edition that Joann's might have put out. And I know the new machine comes in like a gold tone top with a blue at the bottom. So I figured, oh, these tools would be great in the gold tone. So I got this for our tool set. So let's see what we got. I don't know how long this has been out. I don't know if this is a new one or a semi-new one or a really old one, but I know it was a Joann's exclusive because I tried to look it up. So this is the box. There's all your tools. It tells you what each thing you got. So this one here is the portable trimmer for quick straight cuts. And then number 2 is the trimmer replacement blade. Number 3 is the trimmer scoring blade, create straight cut. Oh wait, yeah, that's what it is. Accurate cuts and score lines. And then number 4 is right here. This is the scoring stylus products, neat flat fold lines. Number 5 is the weeder removal tiny cuts. Number 6 is the tweezer feature reversal grip. Number 7 is right here. This is the spatula previously lifts images from the cutting mat. Number 8 is right here. These are the scissors that have micro tip and blade cover. And number 9 is the scraper. Cleans, removes unwanted scrapes from the cutting mat. I know there is a new tool out there that is for the sewing stuff. But I don't know if I want that because I already sew and I already have like scissors and pin cushions and all that. So this is a serrated edge, which is kind of hard to rip. Alright, let's see if I can get it out without having to rip the whole thing off. Alright, it looks like I'm going to have to rip it all off. Alright, so it looks like, oh, how do you get this? Alright. So let's look at these individually, I guess. So this is the scoring slash cutting thingy. Looks like you could score stuff here. Oh no, that's the cutting line, sorry. There is a ruler, I guess, off this. This looks like it doesn't have any gold features like the other ones do. It looks like maybe it holds something here. Maybe it holds our blades so that we don't lose them up here. Alright, so that's how the cutting thing, that's the only thing that doesn't have gold on it. Let me see if I can get them out. They're kind of in here deep. Alright, so we have our, I think this is the wiener tool. It's pointy. I don't know if you can see that back there. And it's got the little clip thingy so you can hang it. And this does have the gold finish up here and down here. Next is whatever I can get out. Oh, next is our scraping tool. It's a small one. I'm assuming that you just scrape it off your mat. And here is the gold finish on that one, and it says circuit. If I'm saying circuit wrong, please correct me in the description box below, but don't be too mean about it. Here, let's see if we can use our tool to get any of these out, because I'm having trouble. So next is the tool for our scoring on when the machine makes score lines. There's a gold tip and there's a gold top. So I'm assuming that this just clicks in the machine. I mean, I've sort of seen what the circuit extender air looks like too. Oh, it's not a good idea to do that. So next is our tweezers. I guess you just pinch them like that when we do things. This has a really tight grip. So this whole thing is gold except for this little thing where it says circuit. And the tip and gold. Next tool is sorry guys, I didn't mean to say that word. Don't ever say that word to anyone if you heard it. What happened is I tried to take the wiener tool and try to take it out. The spatula is being a meanie. So I got the spatula out. This is what it looks like. It has the gold finish here and at the top as always, and that's what the back looks like. They make this really difficult. I'm sorry, I just hurt my finger. Ugh. So here are the scissors. The tip is, oh, that's sweet. Look at that. Our tip of our scissors are in gold finish too. And our last tool in here are the little the little blade parts, if I can get them out. Don't know how easy they'll come out. Gosh. Hold on a sec, guys. I had just lost the blade. Okay, guys, I'm okay. I did not cut myself with taking that out. I thought I did. So this black one is the scoring one, and our little gray one is our replacement blade for our cutting. So that is all the things in our essential tool set in the gold finish. Like I said, I believe it's exclusively to Joann's, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah. And I hope you guys try to get this. I got mine from eBay. You can get yours anywhere. I think Joann's is having a sale on them, lesser than what they are. And I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you continue to watch my videos and do all the best things you guys do in life. And I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.